Not many people understand the differences between narcissistic personality disorder, or NPD, and borderline personality disorder, or BPD. These are two distinct disorders with some really overlapping characteristics. They are both a part of what we call kind of the dramatic group of personality disorders, because there's a variety of these. They're called kind of the cluster B personality disorders. And a lot of them share some traits, but they are distinct from one another. Both NPD and BPD are characterized by volatile, intense relationships that are very dramatic, and they have unstable self-image. With NPD, the primary drivers are a lack of empathy, sense of wanting a lot of admiration, and a sense of superiority. BPD is driven by an intense fear of real or perceived abandonment and a lot of emotional instability and impulsivity. Someone with NPD needs to maintain this superior self-image that's very fragile. Someone with BPD wants to do anything and everything they can to avoid abandonment. Another key difference is with empathy. People with NPD have a very low or no capacity to have real empathy, where someone with BPD usually has empathy, but it can get overwhelmed at times by their own needs and circumstances. NPD, there is a fragile but inflated and inaccurate sense of self. And with BPD, it's more like a fragmented and constantly changing sense of self. They don't really know who they are. In terms of kind of a relational style, people with BPD tend to cling and really want to maintain a relationship almost at all costs. Where NPD, they tend to be exploitive and want to devalue others to maintain their very fragile ego. Some of the shared traits would be unstable relationships, very extreme emotions, manipulative behaviors, and very fragile self-esteem. Oftentimes, these two kind of intense personalities may even be attracted to one another and then have very volatile, intense relationships that involve just a lot of pain and a lot of drama and a lot of manipulation. But I just encourage you to understand, if you are around someone who is suffering from some of these disorders or symptoms, take care of yourself, keep very strong and healthy boundaries, and remember, it's never too late to heal.